world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. St. Augustine.
Hello, today we're going to add a capacitor to the air conditioner on board our boat. We recently purchased a 2000 watt inverter generator, but it will keep the air conditioner running. However, it won't turn over the compressor for the initial push. It just needs a little bit more oomph behind it. So we are working with a Marine Air Systems air conditioner, 12,500 BTU system, and we're going to add a super boost relay and hard start capacitor. We're going to put this in the system today. The air conditioner does come with a run capacitor and a start capacitor. However, the start one looks a little small to me. So we'll take that apart today, check it out, hook it up, and see if we can actually get it to work with our generator.
There's one small Phillips head screw on the top of the electrical control panel.
You'll see it is spring loaded. So once that comes out, you can just pull up on the container. Make sure that your AC power and all your electricity is off to the system. And once we pull it out, you can kind of see all of the components here. So we do have a start and a run capacitor located here, and we're going to go ahead and bypass this system today and see if we can't get it to run, and then we'll hook it up a little bit more permanently once we make sure that it's working with the generator. This capacitor has two plastic nuts that hold it onto the system. So we'll go ahead and remove those. You might need to use a set of pliers to initially break them free. Once we have that released, you can see it just kind of slides off here. And those are the two wires that run into the other capacitor. Go ahead and replace those. Make note of which parts they come off. And then we'll take our new relay. These wires can actually go on either side, so you don't have to be too careful about which way you place them. And then we have that, and that's kind of all it is. Now we're going to go ahead and set this back in where the wires are going to run out. And if this works with the generator, we are going to cut these and then lengthen them so that we can run them properly through the system. Right now, we tested it with the shore power system, and the new capacitor seemed to work fine. Air conditioner turned over and was putting out heat. Now we have the generator hooked up to our boat, and we're going to try to see if it will turn over the generator. So it seems like the new capacitor is able to help the generator turn the air conditioner over. So now we can have heat or AC while we're out on anchor. Now we have the capacitor installed and mounted to the settee here next to the air conditioner unit. We ran the wires in through the electrical box and then down to connect to the AC. And everything seems to be working pretty good for now. For today's projects, we used the manual for the air conditioner, which gave us the electrical diagram so we knew where the run capacitor was and how to replace it to make sure it was wired appropriately.
If you enjoyed watching this video today, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to hear from you with any comments or questions that you may have for us, or any feedback. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.
See